are easing. But slowing inflation doesn't mean all prices are dropping. Prices on things like flour are expected to fall after a sharp increase over the last couple of years. But things like sugar and cocoa are facing significant headwinds because of problems with global production. At the Business Center, I'm Chris McCusker.
Coming up in 60 seconds, Root shares are up after the company reported its fourth quarter profit of nearly $15 million. Business next.
This portion of the news is brought to you by the Herzig Eye Institute.
Hi, I'm Cherry Tabb, co-founder of the Herzig Eye Institute. Are you sick of glasses and reading glasses, contacts and cataracts? Your vision will change through your lifetime, especially after 40. At Herzig, we have the world-class surgeons and proven advanced technology to help you adjust to those changes. Turn frustration to celebration. Google Herzig Eye Institute. Call us for a consultation. There's no charge.